Good afternoon, YouTube. Tonight's video is prepping or treating your windshield, and well, I actually do all my glasses, and I'm gonna use Rain-X. Rain-X, and it works normally for 3 or 4 months. It makes the water run down off the windows, the whole 9 yards. It's good for the winter. It helps to defrost your windows a lot quicker, and most of the time, if you got this on your windshield and a storm breaks out, you don't even need to cut your wipers on as long as it's treated properly. So tonight I'm going to show you how to treat your windows properly, and we're going to move on from there. Okay, I'm back. Couple of things. Rain-X, most people put this in their windshield washer reservoir. It works for 20 below zero, and I do it every year. I add this stuff in there, and if you come outside and your windows are froze up, this stuff right here out of your washer, windshield washer, will unfrost it and make it pretty quickly clear. And I use this, and I also use this. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you how to apply the Rain-X. Okay. I'm gonna put it on with a paper towel, and I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna remove it with a microfiber cloth that's supposed to help non-streaking, and it clears it really good. Microfiber. You don't have to have it, because you can put it on with paper towels. You can take it off with paper towels. I'm gonna put it on with the towel, take it off with the microfiber. Okay. Step up here. I'll put it on the rack. All I'm doing is waxing it, making sure I don't miss a spot. And it's no more than just waxing your windshield for the dome. And what it does, it also helps keep the bugs and stuff from sticking to your windshield. And all you're doing is you're making it slick and smooth so that everything pretty much rolls off of it. And once it's installed, or you have it applied it, you really can drive your car in the rain without the wiper blades. I got a nice film on it. Nice film. Okay. Now, take this microfiber cloth, fold it in half, and I'm gonna fold it in quarters. Okay, so I can use it 8 times. flip it. Okay, this side has been treated. Move to the other side. Look. Open, flip it, do it again. And let that down. Let that down. Okay, that's pretty much it. Everything has been treated. The windshield has been completely treated. But what I'm gonna do next is off the film, off the thing, I'm gonna also go ahead and treat my side windows. And this should last. This should last for 3 months, about 3 months, okay? When it rains outside, believe it or not, you won't even need your wiper blades. That water is gonna run off that windshield like water beads off Superman. I promise you. If it don't, I'll buy you a windshield because I know it do. Okay, that's pretty much it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe to the channel. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, tell me why. I'll see if I can make some adjustments to it. All I did was treat it with Rain-X, and I added this to the windshield washer reservoir. This helps a lot, but this works even better. Don't need wiper blades or nothing. After I stop this video, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna finish doing the rest of the windows. Because I do my side windows and my the side and the back. Okay. Hey YouTubers, it's me again. Just so happened when I finished shooting a Rain-X video, I pulled outside, it was raining. I want you to see how the rain runs off the window. And you see the little spots that are there. Those little spots, once you get up to about 20 or 30 miles an hour, it clears up. But look at the big rain coming off the windshield. It runs right down. You don't need wiper blades. Just wanted to show you that, and it's ironic that I come outside and it was raining. I pulled the truck out, it was raining, and that's the water running off after I treated the windshield with with Rain-X. So I just cut in to say that, and for the second time I'm gonna say thank you for watching the channel. Subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, depending on how you like or dislike it, and I'll see you at the next video. Man, this stuff is just running off of like water beads off Superman. Gotta love it. Peace. See you at the next one. It's coming off of there.